Hey, I'm Heather with WTI. I used to come home, have a seat, and change my shoes from tennies to like a slipper. I don't have to anymore. I can wear the tennies in the house with Dr. Scholl's. It feels like a slipper, very, very comfortable, and I can wear them in or out because I feel like they're stylish enough. I can rock them with jeans as well as leggings, workout gear. They're great support, and they made a gorgeous shoe. I love the neutral base. Love the color choices that they have. Black, white, a neutral. Very, very beautiful.
This textile upper is a beautiful knit, taking me back to the comfort and quality that I am always a fan of. They stay really clean, and I always appreciate a shoe that can do that. With the no tie stretch laces, they're really easy to slide on and off without any fuss. And of course, it feels great to be wearing a lightweight shoe made of recycled plastic bottles. So there's that as well. They put a little spring in my step, and of course Dr. Scholl's is known for their comfort, but it doesn't hurt that these are cute to boot.
I love rocking them. They're my favorite, and they're from Dr. Scholl's, so crazy comfortable. I definitely think you should get a pair. Had to make sure, told you about my experience because they're the bomb, but that's my point of view.